Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to a fresh and new episode of my humble and our platform. Here we talk about to make money online, how to do your investment, and at times to talk about tech. Yeah, so I want to introduce you to a new monetary app. Yeah, so disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So if I search online and see some opportunities, then I upload it to you. Yeah, so I will leave the link in the description in case you want to join and also make money online. Yeah, so before we start, I want to show you how you can recharge, withdraw, and everything about this application. Yeah, so first of all, let's go to home. So when we come to home, this is how the home screen looks like. So we have recharge, we have withdraw, and we have team, we have download app. So if you want to download their app, you will click on this thing and you will download their app. Yeah. So first of all, I have recharged the account. So when you recharge it, when you download the account and register it with my affiliate link, you will get $28. So after that, you will deposit $12 to activate V1. So if you want to activate the rest, so let's go and let's see their thing here. So they have VIP one. So the VIP one, you need 12 to 40 USDT to what unlock it. So it depends on the money you invest and the amount you'll be receiving per day. Yeah. So right now, I want to activate the VIP one. So this is how you will do it. You click on it, then confirm. So right now I've unlocked the VIP one. Have you seen it? Yeah. So when you unlock the VIP one, this platform, there are so many ways to make money on this platform. So first of all, I want to teach you all the ways that you can use to make money. So the first one is quantitative trading. So you can make money through quantitative trading. So when you come to the quantity, you come here, you see that after investing in VIP one or VIP two, you can start doing your quantitative trading. So you just click on the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin will mine for you. So you waiting. So right now it's mining tax for you. So right now it have mined 2.09 USDT for me. You see, it have mined 2 USDT for me. So you'll be able to do this thing every day. So when I come to the top here, you see that today's in is 12 2.09. So and this one you can withdraw the withdrawal method. So after doing your quantitative trading, you see that the profit asset is what 2.09. So 2.09 you can't withdraw it. So 2.09, like after doing your quantitative trading, it will be in your profit assets. That one, if I go to withdraw, you see that I have 2.09602 to withdraw it. Yeah. So when the money is in the base assets, you can't withdraw it unless you put the money in your profit asset. Yeah. So this is how you convert it. You click on this thing. You see, you can transfer the profit assets from here to here, depending on what you want to do. So the base assets are is the money that you use to invest in the VIPs. That's the base assets, and the profit assets are the money that is like that you want to withdraw it. Yeah. So after doing this thing, I want to show you how you can withdraw and everything. But first of all, let me show you the ways that you can use to make money on this platform. So I'll show you the first way. So the second way is what when I go to home, they have something they call invite friends. So this one you copy your invitation link, and when you invite any person on this platform, you will get 20% bonus. When you invite someone, you will get 20% bonus. So if you can't even invest and start doing your quantitative trading, you can you can invite people to join this platform, and when they are trading you get 20% from their share. Yeah, so that's the other way that you can use to make money on this platform. And they also have the investment. This one, you can choose that, okay, I want to invest in this platform, and every day this amount you will get. Is that thing? It depends. Yeah. So me, our I would advise you that you have to choose the quantitative trading and the invite friends, because at least you can invite people to join this platform and you will get commission from it. And quantitative trading, so if you invest, so you see right now I invested only 12 USDT and I've withdrawn $2 right now. And this one is a long term project, long term cooperation. So it will be there for a long time, at times 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So you can make a lot of money from it. Is that right thing? Yeah, so that's how it is. So let me show you how you can withdraw it. So when I go to the me, I'll click on withdraw. So first of all, you have to input the parent method. That's your USDT wallet. So you have to choose the wallet you want to withdraw the money inside, and make sure that you are choosing the correct wallet, because after doing your first transaction, you can't change it. Yeah. So let me go to my and go to deposit and copy my TRC20. Let me show you. So I come to TRC20 address, continue, and I'll copy it, and I'll come to the platform and I'll paste it over here. You see, and I'll enter my password. Now here's the money. I want the money I want to withdraw. That's 2.096. I want to withdraw everything. Yeah. And this one is your password. Yeah. Then you click on confirm. So have you seen that? I've withdraw it. Yeah. So it's simple as that. As simple as that. Is it right thing? Yeah. So at times you can save your password, so that when you want to when you want to withdraw it, you will not even bother yourself to input any password again. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah. So this one, every day you can perform a quantitative trade just once. Every day you have to perform one, and the one you'll be getting 2.06 if you invested 12 USDT. And if you invested 25 or 30 going, that one you'll be getting 12 USDT daily. You see, yeah, so it depends on the money you want to start your trading with. So this one is you're mining Bitcoin, and this one, after mining the Bitcoin, they will pay you in USDT and you withdraw your money. Simple as that. Yeah, simple as that. So if this time the quantifier reset time reaches zero, then it will load again for you to what, to perform your task again. For you to perform your task again. So it's just simple as that. Just simple as that. Yeah, just simple as that. So I think it's very cool for you to start. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just doing this for entertainment and education purpose. So I don't hold any responsibilities for any action. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Bye.